Okay, so we've just insulated this room here for sound because it was getting a lot of road noise. So that involves drilling these holes at the top of each bay and pumping, and of course above the window as well. Every bay we've got to drill a hole in, and we fill those with cellulose fibre. Now, after we've pumped them full of insulation, we just put a bit of polyester bad in there, but if I pull that out, you'll see the cellulose fibres in there behind it, right? Maybe you couldn't see that, but anyway. And so that's just there like that after we've done the job, and so then the plasterer can come back, put the little divot in place, and then plaster it over again. And we leave these divots here, so that it'll just go back in there, and then the plasterer will put that in there, put his plaster on, sheet it over, and then it's ready to paint again. So and just, I'm not sure how well it'll come up on the video, but we've got all the windows closed, and there's actually a highway here, so just listen to the sound difference when I open the window. So that's the ambient noise there from the highway. No trucks going past at the moment though, of course. But if I close this door here, this window here again, yeah, there's actually a noise in the room, but you can hear, but that's actually coming from through this wall here, because this window over in here is open. So you hear that noise? Right. So we've actually insulated this wall as well in the bedroom. Right. Now if I close that window, now these aren't double glazed windows or anything, close that window. Hear how much quieter it is? Now if we close the bedroom door, it's even quieter again because there's still noise coming from downstairs. So if you're wanting to insulate to stop sound coming through your walls, give us a call and we'll give you a quote. Very happy to give you some advice, but it certainly makes a big difference. We also insulated the ceiling here because this wouldn't have worked if I'd just done the wall, so it's very important that we did the ceiling as well.